Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm in Building Battle. Now today I'm going to show you how to move your buildings if you don't know how. If you know how, don't worry, it's okay. You don't have to watch then. But just please subscribe because I want to get 50 subscribers so that I can make live streams for you guys. You build 2 blocks, you don't have to copy it the same as me. You just do this. Then you go back, you go to Deadly Machines, put spikes here, but before you put all the spikes on, just jump on into the middle, then you put spikes on, then you go to Castle Interior Kit, you get your chair, you stand a little bit there, and you put it in the middle. It doesn't have to be the same way. Then you go back, then you go to House Interior Kit, and you get a standing lamp. Then you must make sure this yellow block, as you can see, just put it over you, like not like that. And if it does not work, you must leave and rejoin. But it works all the time. You must just try to get it on you. As you can see now, I have the lamp on me, and then you take your bin, you delete that piece on the bottom so that you're literally on the ground. Then you jump, then you will see you wobbling like this, and that's how you walk. You can do it a little bit, you don't have to do it the same. You can do it with just spikes, or you can just build your own avatar or any character. Like I built a SpongeBob earlier, but then my game disconnected. So yeah, this is how you build. And some of the videos, they don't show you have to jump to walk, but you have to jump. Bye guys.